Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these iridescent frames as well as this silver bag from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to be cutting the bag so that it fits inside of one of the frames. Right here, I'm just removing the picture frame stand, and then I'm going to be adding some of these clear ice cube blocks that I pick up from Amazon. Now I'm going to glue the two frames together. And so the acrylic ice cubes is going to help create the space that we need to add our embellishments. Next, I'm going to create some legs for our tray by hot gluing two of the ice cube blocks together. And so here's what it looks like. I just styled it with some tea lights, and yeah, what do you guys think? For this next DIY, I'm going to be updating a previous project. This is actually a cloche that I found at Home Goods, and I'm just going to be adding some more embellishments. I'll be adding these blue pearls from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using these beautiful blue and silver wall stickers, and they're from the Dollar Tree. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back on Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.